Stop using very. Instead of very good, say excellent. For very tired, use exhausted.
If you keep saying very big, huge, very happy, thrilled, very angry, furious, very scared, terrified, very good, very happy, very tired, you sound basic. And today, I will help you upgrade your English vocabulary instantly. Because fluent speakers don't say very all the time. They use stronger, more precise words. So in this lesson, I'll show you powerful alternatives that will immediately improve your English. Let's begin. Part 1. Why very makes you sound basic. There is nothing wrong with the word very, but when you use it too much, your English sounds simple. For example, I am very happy. I am very tired. It's very big. It's correct. But native speakers prefer stronger words. Stronger words make you sound more confident, more fluent, more natural. And the good news? You don't need hundreds of new words, just a few powerful ones. Part 2. Powerful replacements. Let's upgrade your vocabulary. 1. Very good, excellent, or outstanding. Instead of, this movie is very good, say, this movie is excellent, or her work is outstanding. 2. Very bad, terrible, or awful. Instead of, the weather is very bad, say, the weather is terrible. 3. Very big, huge, or massive. Instead of, that house is very big, say, that house is huge. 4. Very small, tiny. Instead of, the room is very small, say, the room is tiny. 5. Very tired, exhausted. Instead of, I'm very tired, say, I'm exhausted. This sounds much more natural. 6. Very happy, thrilled, or delighted. Instead of, I'm very happy, say, I'm thrilled. Example, I'm thrilled about my new job. 7. Very angry, furious. Instead of, he was very angry, say, he was furious. 8. Very scared, terrified. Instead of, she was very scared, say, she was terrified. You see the pattern? One strong word is better than very plus basic adjective. Part 3. Practice section. Now let's practice together. I will say the basic sentence, you say the upgraded version. Ready? 1. I'm very tired. I'm exhausted. 2. The test was very difficult. The test was challenging or extremely difficult. 3. The place is very beautiful. The place is stunning. 4. He is very smart. He is brilliant. 5. The car is very fast. The car is rapid or incredibly fast. Repeat these sentences out loud. Speaking out loud improves fluency faster. Part 4. Why this matters. Fluency is not about grammar perfection. It's about sounding natural. Small vocabulary upgrades create big improvement. And when you stop using very too much, your English becomes more precise and powerful. This is how intermediate students become advanced speakers. From today, try to avoid very. Use stronger words. Comment below, I will stop saying very. And if you want to speak English more naturally, subscribe to Gene Idiomas. New lessons every week. Let's keep improving together.